Hello everybody and welcome back to another tutorial of crocheting. I'm SerenaPaliria, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make the crab stitch or reverse single crochet stitch. It's very useful to make edgings, borders. So it's not difficult. It's, as I've said, a single crochet stitch, but it's a reverse stitch. Its name is crab stitch. So usually when we crochet, when we are crocheting, usually we go from the right side towards left side. This time, for this stitch, we're going to go from left side towards right side. So insert the hook into the stitch, into the previous stitch, like this, with the technique of yarn under. That means the crochet that means that the yarn should be under the crochet hook, and draw a loop, yarn over this time, and pass the yarn through both loops. So we have made a single crochet. Again, insert the hook into the stitch from left towards right. We're working from left towards right, so insert the hook this way into the stitch with the technique of yarn under, and draw a loop, yarn over, and pass the yarn through both loops here. Again, insert the hook here into the stitch, draw a loop, yarn over, and pass the yarn through both loops. And last time, insert the hook here into the previous stitch with the technique of yarn under, draw a loop, and yarn over, and pass the yarn through both loops here. And this is the crab stitch. It's very easy, as you can see. I hope it's been useful. Thanks for being with me. Till next time. Bye bye.